This presentation is brought to you by GlobalInternet.py, built by Gessner Delons, Engineer-in-Chief. Haitian TikTok creators face a major challenge. They can generate real virtual gifts that have physical monetary value, but because PayPal does not fully operate or allow direct payouts inside of Haiti, getting those funds is extremely difficult. But here is a practical solution. With just a simple move, starting to invest as little as $5 to run a single official ad campaign, we can begin showing TikTok that Haiti is an active, paying advertiser market. This will unlock official monetization support directly over time. Right now, there is no other reliable gateway to open up the market. In this video, we are looking directly at the TikTok Ads Manager onboarding screen. Welcome to TikTok Ads Manager. Whether your goal is to generate high-quality leads, boost your digital conversions, or drive massive product sales, you can achieve all your specific business goals here with a Business Center and TikTok Ads Manager account. Get started today by sharing simple registration information about your agency or business. Share your advertiser company details, industry, business website, and the specific region where you register. Contact us today at GlobalInternet.py to set up your business ad strategy. Phone 509-4738-5663, email delon78@gmail.com. Let us build your next custom software and advertising solution. Thank you for watching.